Let me show you how to use the alarms, timer and stopwatch on your Garmin Instinct 3 watch. So if you want to launch these things, all you have to do is press and hold the set button for roughly a second. So, and as you see, alarms, timers and stopwatch will pop up. So let's maybe check timers first, and we can enter with the GPS. Then we can set a quick timer. So this is one-time timer, and basically we can select the minutes using the ABC and the menu button over here. Okay, and also we can press and hold it to advance much farther. Also we can then press the GPS to go to the seconds, so adjust whatever you need, and again press the GPS button, and once you're ready to start this timer, press the GPS, and as you see, it's actually running. Also we can go back, go completely out of this, and the timer will actually run in the background. Again, if we press and hold this, as you see, the timer is actually running in the background. And for the timers, if we actually navigate down here, we can also add timer presets as well. So you can quickly launch basically times like these. So this is what I have set up already. So we can click. Okay, for example, we have the 5-minute timer, and if we go back, you see in the list on all the timers, you have the 5-minute timer that you can quickly launch. Next, let's check out alarms as well. And again, set your hour for the alarm, minutes. And again, we can also enable this repeat, or also turn off this repeat. And also we can actually add more alarms as well, and also edit them. So let's add another alarm. And as you see, you can actually get 2 alarms here. You can also press the edit button to essentially delete them as well. And also change the various things, what actually happens when the timer basically sounds. So these are some more advanced settings here. And then finally, let's check stopwatch as well. So to start stopwatch, when you enter it, simply press this. And as you see, it's running. So if you want to stop it, you can press this. And if you want to reset your stopwatch, press the ABC button. And as you see, you can start a new stopwatch. Also, we can press this to record laps as well. So very advanced stopwatch. And if you want to exit the stopwatch and go back to the main phase, we can also press the menu button. And as you see, you have the option right here. Or also, again, if you go in the stopwatch, as you can see, it's also running in the background. Let's go over here. Also, we can press and hold the set button. Again, press back, and this is also how you can exit this. Also in the same menu, we also can set time with GPS, alternative time zones as well, and also we can set hourly chime as well, or also like alert that basically tells you how long it is till sunset basically. Also storm alerts, and also this hourly chime here as well. So it'll basically give you notice every hour. And yeah, overall extremely cool watch. Anyway, good luck.